Hi Aries, welcome to Omkarak Tarot and to your You and Yours reading. Now, You and Yours is basically you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time, and how we can navigate this. This could be a love interest, but could also be anyone else who's uppermost in your mind, who's affecting your energy at this point. Could be a neighbor, child, father, mother-in-law, friend, anyone, right? So you have to decide who the reading resonates for you for. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Aries and bless them with the messages they need to hear the most. Thank you. So let's begin, Aries. These are general collective readings, Aries, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. This card just wanted to show face. It's something to do with your home, stability. Could be someone in your home. So let's just keep this card aside and see what it needs to say to us. So as I was saying, these are not going to resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay, and start laying the cards out. Thank you all my subscribers for all your love and affection and all your lovely comments. And if you're new here, welcome, join our little family here. Do subscribe. We welcome you. A lot of people have asked me what Omkara means. Omkara is another name given to the Lord Ganesha, who's an Indian deity of happiness and abundance. So this is our Omkara family. 7 of Swords in reverse. Let's see who you're dealing with, Aries. First card I have here for you is the 7 of Wands, 3 of Cups, 6 of Wands, great, King of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, and the 7 of Cups. Person 2, 10 of Cups, very good, Knight of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, 4 of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the 10 of Swords. Wow. Mixed bag reading, Aries. Who is this we're dealing with here? 7 of Wands. Somebody is being a bit... Okay, I am going to call one side person A and the other side person B. Aries, you decide which side you're on. You have to see which side you resonate more on. My gut feel says person 2 is you. Of course, you're your best judge. Person A is being a little defensive, right? They're not feeling emotionally happy. They're trying to see things from all different perspectives. Yes, there could have been third parties here, or maybe they're looking for a reconciliation, or maybe this person is being a little defensive because there were third parties in the past. 3 of Cups clarified by the 3 of Cups, and because of that there is no emotional satisfaction with you here, Aries. You're not this person is defending what they have done maybe in the past. They're being defensive, or maybe trying to see things from a different perspective, maybe higher ground. This person does seem to be a little egoistic though. Very egoistic, keeps his or her feelings to themselves. You never know what they're thinking. You never know what they're feeling. There is no long-term stability here with them. Yeah, total stagnation. This person has a lot of ego, a lot of pride, keeps their emotions to themselves, doesn't show you what they really feel. One hand, they offer you the cup, and the second hand, see, this person has a bow and arrow. So you really don't know where to stand with them. They are very, very defensive, and there is no feeling of no stability, and maybe they have too many options as well. Too many options, a lot of confusion because of options, and because of that, there is never any balance with this person. Never any balance with this person. Look at all these options that they, maybe are going for. Six of Wands for this person, Spirit. Yeah, juggler. Total juggling. Total juggling going on. How many cards to suggest that? Two of coins is juggling. Three of cups, three of cups. Okay, third parties, and seven of cups. Again, options, which is leading to zero balance in this relationship, and the Ten of Pentacles is in reverse, which means no stability at all. Who are you dealing with here, Aries? Let's see this other side. Ten of Cups upright. Ten of Cups upright is emotional satisfaction. You're wanting emotional satisfaction. Person 2 is wanting to go back to this person. But too many secrets have come out now, okay? Person 2 really wanted to be happy with person A. Person 2 really wanted to have emotional happiness with person A, but so many secrets came out about this person A that now it's like you're wondering whether, it's even if it's worth to go back to this person or not, because there is complete screeching, halt, stagnation which has come into this relationship. I have the Six of Cups with the Six of Cups again, okay? So this is definitely somebody from your past which I don't think you want to go back to anymore because of all the secrets that have been revealed. This person too had good intentions. They really felt that, there could be stability here, there could be emotional satisfaction here, and now here they are feeling depressed, okay? They are feeling depressed and they are feeling that they did not get the offer that they were waiting for, even though the person 2 felt a lot of love for person A. Cup was overflowing with love. This is all person A wanted: wish fulfillment, emotional satisfaction, and because of all the secrets that came out about this past person, this put person B in a very, very sad place, and felt totally betrayed with all these swords in their back. So much of hurt and pain. Spirit, please clarify the Four of Cups, please. All they were looking for was happiness. All person B was looking for happiness. And all they got, I think, was the 10 swords instead. Ace of Cups, Spirit. They basically got breadcrumbed, okay? So one person was giving to more than one. There were many other options that this person was giving to. This is probably the secret that came out, and that's what's led to this betrayal and heartbreak. Let's have one more card, Spirit, for the Ten of Swords. 2, okay. Yeah, there's the total. Somebody played mischief here. Somebody really, Aries, if this is you, then you've really been had, I would say, by person A. Somebody played a lot of mischief, and now you feel there is no way back at all to this past person who really, really hurt you. Six of Cups in reverse, Six of Cups in reverse. This is definitely somebody that you really loved, had very sweet memories with, and you felt betrayed by this person. Let's see what's happening. So now let's see what's happening now coming up. Death in reverse. None of you are really letting this go either, are you, Aries? You're both trying to delay this ending for as long as possible. And the longer this thing is going on, it's hurting you more and more and more. So much strife, so much conflict. But I think both of you are also trying to let go of this. Or is it possible that you're both trying to avoid the death of the situation? Both of you don't want this to end now. Both of you are trying to get over all this conflict which has happened. Is that correct, Spirit? Is that what Aries and that person is trying to do? Yeah. I think you both want to talk about it. You both want to talk about it now. You both want to come out of this stuck position that this betrayal has put both of you in, okay? And you want to talk about all this juggling which has happened. You both want to now get over all this conflict and fight which has been happening. And both of you, I think, don't want this to end totally. This is in your mutual energy. Let's see now, what's the second card? The Emperor, both wanting to regain control of this relationship, or Ace of Cups in reverse. Both have realized that the power play which happened between both of you, maybe both of you wanted things to go your way. This person was trying to make you fit into how they wanted this relationship to go, and Aries, maybe you were trying the same, and this is what led to this love getting over. And both of you are coming to a realization of that now, because this is in your mutual energy. And you also both don't want this to end. I have the World back in reverse, right? Just like the Death card, the World in reverse basically means you don't want this to end. So this is in both your energies. Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so now you both want to... Okay, so now I think this confusion is going to come to an end, Aries, okay? Or whatever choices were there are going to be dropped. I think both of you are going to invest back into this relationship. Seven of Pentacles. Both of you are wanting to invest back into this because both of you are now wanting the Sun energy to come back into this relationship. Now the Sun is the happiest card in the deck. Okay, both of you want this, both of you have realized that we don't want this to end, and I wonder why, Aries, after what this person has done to you, but yes, you love this person. That's the thing. I have Death in reverse again, just not wanting to end this chapter. So let's take a word of advice. Let's take a word of advice for you, Aries. Is that the right thing for you to do? Spirit, can we have a word of advice, please, for Aries? Because this person seems to have hurt them very, very badly with all their third parties and their ego and their pride and not offering stability and hurting this person so much. But in their mutual energy, I see that both are wanting to come out now of this troubled times. Both wanting to go back to the way things were. Wow. Spirit, can we have 3 cards of advice for my Aries, please? Making a choice to return. After feeling so isolated, and yes, I think with Aries, you've missed this person. You've really missed this person. You felt abandoned by this person. You want to go back to that happy place again. You want to go back to feeling the person who's loved and appreciated. You've been feeling miserable and out in the cold. I think this is the time you'll be making a choice. Let's see how this person actually feels for you, Aries. Let's spy on this person a little bit. How does this person feel regarding my Aries, Spirit? All right. Okay, that's a good first sign. All right, Spirit, one more. How does this person feel regarding Aries? Really, how does it feel emotionally? Ouch. Wow. I think they're changing, Aries. I think they're changing. They see you as the Empress, okay? They see you as their Empress, the Queen above all queens. And from the reading I've seen, yes, they were probably playing around with many, but they see you as number one, okay? There is nobody who's better suited, they feel, for you. And they look at you as a magician, or they want to manifest you. They feel that this is what they feel for you, okay? They feel that Ace of Wands for you. They feel they want to manifest a brand new, creative, passionate beginning with you. They want to release all this, and they want you to do that as well, and not hold back from them anymore, and kind of just give them another chance, or this is what they want to do. They no longer want to be a player, okay? If they were a player in the past, Aries, King of Wands in reverse, they don't want to do all that. They want to let go of whatever toxicity or whatever wrong behavior they had in the past. So how does Aries feel for this person? Aries, how do you feel for your person now? You want a rebirth with them, judgment. You really want this person. Yes, you've been listening. You've been going into, going within, listening to your intuition. You've been asking spirit maybe, or you've been maybe reading tarot cards, or whatever you've been doing, or getting help from spiritual people, and you have realized that you definitely want a fresh new beginning with this person. Let's have one more card. How does Aries feel for this person? You feel even if you are single, happy, on your own, you still want some kind of connection with this person. They make you happy. It's not necessarily that you're looking for a commitment. You're very, very okay on your own, but you don't want to lose them altogether either. You don't want this relationship to come to a halt, even though you seem very happy on your own. So what could be our outcome here, Spirit? What could be the expected outcome for Aries and this person? The Star, which is coming true. Okay, one more, Spirit. One more, Spirit. Most likely outcome. I think Aries, now I think both of you are coming out of Queen of Wands. Here's your card. Okay, you are ready for action. I think both of you have gone within. You both have thought about it. You both don't want to be in the stuck place anymore, okay? You both, Hermit in reverse, both of you want to come out of this place of isolation. Hanged Man in reverse, don't want to be stuck, isolated anymore. You've both missed each other, okay? You've both been feeling the lack of this Two of Cups, the love that you both shared, and you both now are wanting this wish fulfillment. You've both been praying for this. Healing is definitely going to come, okay? So that's a good thing. I really didn't expect this outcome, Aries, but maybe this person has changed and you seem pretty much into this person as well. So let's take an angel blessing card. Yes, here it is, the High Priestess mode, right? You were getting signs from above. Maybe both of you have been. You've been maybe hearing songs, seeing repeating numbers, or some synchronicities which has led you back to each other. And if not, Aries, just keep a lookout for these. You'll definitely be getting these which will lead you back. And yes, you both have been praying for each other. Definitely been, and your prayers are getting answered, it seems, because now I think Spirit is involved. Spirit is involved in this, and you'll definitely be, this was maybe just a lesson that you had to learn. Whatever happened in the past, you both have gained spiritual insight. You both have maybe done a lot of spiritual work, either you or the other person or both of you, and you both realize that you are each other's wish fulfillment. So that's good. Stay optimistic, Aries, and let's see how this goes. This person is definitely going to come back, and you are willing to take them back. So let's see how this pans out. Do leave a comment, let me know, and I'll see you soon. Love and light. Take care.